Welcome to TouchCloud channel. In today's video, we are going to see about creating a class in Python. What is self in class? Should we have the same name as self in class? Should we have the self as a first parameter in a class member functions, or can we change the order of it? Let's jump into the session. Let me create a class called account. Let me have principal money 10,000. Let me create initializer or constructor. We can call anyway init. We should have self, which is a reference variable for a class member function. We should have self in each member function under the class. Let me print dummy text calls. Let me create a member function called deposit self money. Once after I deposit money, I need to add it to my principal money. So see, I am trying to access the principal in deposit member function, but I am not able to read the variable. Without self, we can't access. See, now I am able to see principal adding with the deposited money. Creating another method called withdraw. Need to subtract from principal. Need to display some balance. Even though we are not going to pass any value, we should have self in each member function under the class. So I want to know after each transaction my original balance or current balance. So I am calling the display function. See, if I am trying to access display function without self, I can't access self dot display. So to access a member function and members, variables inside a class, we should have self variable. So to avoid the code repetition, I am creating a display function and calls wherever I need to have a best practices and write do not repeat yourself concept. Now I am creating an object. Here we need not to use new keyword as we use in some other programming languages like C# or C++. We can directly call the class name. I am checking my initial balance, so calling the display first. I am depositing 2,000. Then I am withdrawing 1,000. All are ready. So I am going to run the program. Before that, if you want to check your Python version, so Python -version in your system. Yeah, I have Python 3.10.1. Let me clear the console or terminal. Let me run the program. See, my original balance was 10,000. Once I deposited, my balance was 12,000. After withdrawal, my current balance is 11,000. So as we see in the PowerPoint presentation, our question is, should we have the name as self or can we have different? So here we can have any name instead of self, but self is the name suggested by Python when it was introduced. Let me change it, self to obj, saving the file. I am running. See, I am able to run. Let me change it to value 5000 and running again. See, my balance is 11,500. Let me revert it. Our next question was, can we change the order of the self? No. If I change the order, program will throw error. Let us see. I am changing order of self in deposit member function, and let me call. See, I am getting error. So self is an reference variable for a class member functions. We should have self in each member function and constructor. Without self reference variable, we can't access member functions and members inside a class. I hope this tip would be helpful for you people. Let's see in next video. Thank you.